Hello everyone! Today's video will show you how to make your own hair donut and a few different ways you can use it. So I went to my local bargain store and grabbed some pantyhose that almost matched my hair color. But feel free to use any color you have, because for this DIY you will need a couple pairs of pantyhose and a pair of scissors. Grab your first pair and cut off the toes. Then cut off both legs so you have two tubes. Starting at either end of one of the tubes, start rolling the fabric outwards. Pull on the tail of the fabric as you go to keep the roll tight. Continue rolling until you have a small donut. You can stop here if this is the size you want your buns to be, but I wanted to make mine bigger. So I grabbed another leg tube and threaded it through the center of the donut, folded the fabric over, and continued rolling. In total, I used 2 pairs of pantyhose to make this size hair donut. Now, a few ways to use it. For these tutorials, you will need the hair donut, a brush, a couple elastics, and some bobby pins. Put your hair into a well-secured ponytail wherever you want your bun to be. For instructional purposes, I will do my bun on the top of my head so you can see it, but feel free to make them anywhere you like. This first tutorial makes a basic bun and works best with long hair. Grab your ponytail and thread your hair through the donut. If you want a more sleek bun, start closer to the middle of your ponytail. For a messier bun, start closer to the ends. Wrap the ends of your hair around the donut and then start rolling it downwards to the base of your ponytail. Before you get to the bottom, stop and spread your hair around so your hair donut is completely covered. Then continue rolling downwards, pushing your hair through the bottom until your bun is tight to your head. The next method is a twist wrapped bun that works for medium length or long hair. Pardon all my baby hairs here, my hair is starting to get thicker. Thread your hair through the donut at the base of your ponytail, then spread your hair around it, making sure the donut is covered. Now take a small elastic and place it over your bun, securing the hair and donut to your head. Now with the remaining ends hanging out the bottom of your bun, grab a small section in the front and start twisting it forwards or backwards. Grab some hair next to it and add it to the twist. Continue adding hair and twisting all the way around your bun. Twist up and wrap any remaining hair around your bun and secure the ends with a bobby pin. The last tutorial is a braid wrapped bun that works best with long hair. It starts the same as the last bun. Pull your hair through the donut at the base of your pony and spread it around, securing with a small elastic over top. Now grab all the remaining hair from under your bun and bring it together. Start braiding the hair any way you'd like. If your hair is too short to do this, you can try French braiding around the base of your bun to get the same look. Once braided, secure the end with a bobby pin and wrap your braid around your bun. Secure using the bobby pin. And that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed yourself or if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're looking for more, you can follow me on Instagram @anorthidol. Subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video by clicking over here.